Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at Winterfest, so let's get into the video. Alright, so as you can see, Winterfest is right here. Stage 1, Icy Works, Holiday Hair Clip, Gift Box Buddy, and Tortoise. These are the ones that I predicted to be the rewards, meaning we're probably not going to have anything in the shop now, or anything new. Okay, so here we are, and he has a new skin, or Sprite, I see you. Howard Cornelius, yeah, you can definitely see that it's different. Nice to see you again, Wizard. I have lots of cool trinkets on sale. So, yeah, let's see what there is. So, there's a Mystical, I already have one of those, the same items. I'm expecting same hats, yep. Outfits, exact same. Wands, exact same. No new buddies, sadly. And there's possible that there's new furniture. No new furniture, so very disappointing. But now we are going to get into a battle against one of the monsters. Okay, here we go. So this should be an ice pet that we're facing, and I have Aquaster Coral on, obviously, so that's not good. And thankfully we are getting easy questions, though. We do 3,841 damage. I am not used to this style of combat anymore because I've been playing on the beta update, so yeah, I'm not really used to having to play like this. Alright, here we go. 3,861. We should take it out next hit. And Frostjaw does 2,341. And now let's go ahead and finish it off with a Torrent that's equal. And yeah, we should win the battle. There we go, 3,855 damage. This is probably one of the best event sets in Prodigy, and there's the updated snowflake icon. So yeah, that is pretty much going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so that we can get to 2K, and bye.